We've looked at linear functions and exponential functions, and there are many other types of functions to come. You can probably think of them: trigonometric functions, log functions, and other functions. What our book does next, though, is it tells us, or it helps us figure out, if we already know what the graph of one function looks like, how can we figure out what the graph of a related function looks like? So for example, on your applet earlier tonight, you saw what the graph of y equals 2 to the x would look like. What if we take this function 2 to the x, which is at the heart of this other function? We put a minus 3 here, we multiply by a 7 here, we put a plus 4 here. If we can understand what the effect of the 4, the minus 3, and the 7 are, and we know what the graph of 2 to the x looks like, then we should be able to figure out what the graph of this function looks like. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to explore 4 different ways to take a basic function such as 2 to the x and transform it and see what the resulting graph looks like, how that transformation changes the graph. So the first, we have several applets to do to help you explore these. The first one is when you take the graph, take y equals f of x, and you just add a k at the end. So f of x plus k. So please go ahead and experiment with that applet, and then we'll come back and talk about what you have learned.